Hi, today's Tuesday, which means Tuesday Tablescape Topics. And if you've not been to my channel before, welcome or welcome back. But every Tuesday, I come to you with a new topic relating to tablescapes, table setting, or adorning the table. This week, I want to chat with you about super simple fall centerpieces for your table. Meaning something that you can easily grab and put together, but yet looks attractive in the middle of your table. I'm not going to build something elaborate and go into lots of detail. That would be a longer video. Today, it's really just about quick and simple. I've got a couple ideas and I think you're really going to like them because, again, you can whip them up really quickly and most likely you have stuff already around your house that you can use. All right, let's get started. So my first idea for a super simple fall centerpiece is using a really cute kind of fall-inspired vase. Something similar to this one. This one makes me feel like it's a gourd or kind of has like that pumpkin kind of shape with the way it's indented. So it has a fall feeling to me at least. And in fact, I love this vase so much. I'm currently working on it for a table setting that's coming up. So be on the lookout for that video. Take a vase similar to this one and then fill it with some dried flowers or dried reeds. I found these at Cost Plus World Market as well. They actually come just as this bundle of 3 stems and then fan them out to give a little bit of air and dimension to them. Isn't that super cute? And the really neat thing about this arrangement is because you can keep it on your table and your guests, we can still see across each other and talk to each other. It's not going to get in the way and be a distraction. Or you can leave it on your table all the time during fall because it's just so pretty to look at and is wonderful as a simple centerpiece. So that's idea number 1. All right, my second idea for a fall centerpiece is taking an elevated bowl, something similar to this one. I just love the shape of it, the dark wood color. Now, if you don't have an elevated one, a bowl that's just going to sit on your table will work just fine. I like the elevated idea because it's giving you some visual interest. It's making your eye look up around the table. Now, take that elevated bowl, put it in the middle of your table, and then fill it with fresh apples like these. My family, we are huge apple eaters. We love apples, and apples are that fall fruit, so they're perfect to use in a centerpiece during fall. And the colors they have, you could grab some green ones, some yellow ones, some dark red ones, whatever your preference is for apples, and fill your bowl, and it just looks cute, super simple. But to add to this, I thought, let's take and put some fall colored napkins on one side. And I love these have that retro 70s look to them, the avocado green, which is perfect for fall. Add those to one side of your bowl. And then on the other side of your bowl, take some fall inspired small plates. These are some salad plates and they have those fall colors on them. So flank your fruit bowl with some napkins and plates. That way your friends or family can grab the fruit, grab the plate, and grab the napkin all at once. But just having it sitting out on your table all the time like this, it just looks so cute, inviting, and has that very fall look to it. All right, so that was idea number 2. Now, let me move these out of the way and I'll share with you my idea for number 3. Okay, so my third idea for a super simple fall centerpiece is using a twig wreath, something similar to this one. Obviously it's a wreath, so you've got this hole in the middle of it, but I love the twig look of it because that definitely makes you feel like fall. And instead of putting this on the wall or on your door, we're going to lay it in the middle of our table. Something simple just like this, because it's creating visual interest. Your eye is now going into it, and the twigs have that dimension to them, creating more visual interest. And then in the middle of the wreath, take a very simple bronze or gold colored candle holder and just put that right in the middle. And then around the candle holder, take some faux fall colored flowers and take them off or cut them off of the stems, bend the stems, loop them around, and then just drop that over the candlestick. I'm going to use two. I'm going to kind of put one on either side, creating some of that cute visual interest in adding color to the centerpiece. Then, depending on the height you're going for or the colors that are on your table, you can pick the type or color of candle you want. You could either go with a shorter, more muted candle like this one, or you could use a taller, little bit more striking of a candle like that one. In either case, both are really perfect for this type of super simple fall centerpiece. Okay, I have one more idea, so let me move this one out of the way. So for my fourth and final super simple fall centerpiece, I have this tall vase. I love this vase. I picked it up at a Goodwill, and I just love the shape and the color of it. It's perfect for fall. And then I filled it with some pampas grass, which again, right now, perfect for fall, and especially this color. It's a little bit more muted, has a little bit more of a natural color to it. But I thought, you know, instead of just putting the pampas grass, maybe adding some tall reeds. I'm going to put these tall reeds in the middle of it, and that's going to create a little bit more visual interest to this vase because it's giving some more height to it. Now, I'm going to be honest, this is not a centerpiece that you would put on your table while you are dining. You're not going to have it in the middle and try to dodge it when you're talking to your friends and family as you're eating. So this is really more of a fall centerpiece that you're going to use when your table is not in use. But it creates great visual impression, looks beautiful just by itself. And of course, you could fill it with whatever color pampas grass that you would like or that might match your decor as well. So I think it's just adorable and cute. So there you have it. 4 simple, quick, easy, fall-inspired centerpieces. I hope this gives you some ideas for your fall decor and what you're going to put and use as a centerpiece on your fall table. I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday for my next Tablescape topic. Have a wonderful week. Bye.